Let me show you something most real estate agents are still struggling with. Finding serious buyer and seller is hard unless you know exactly where to look. What if you could generate fresh, target real estate leads in any country in minutes without running ads or chasing people? In this video, I'm going to show you real leads being generated live and exactly how you can do it with this software. Make sure to click the like button and comment. So with this software, you're able to generate real estate leads without spending money on advert, maybe Facebook, Google ads, or any method of advert you are using. So after I've gotten this software, I've installed it on your system, you can just come to this business extract. You can do a single search. You can just search real estate. So you have to choose the location you are targeting. You have to choose the location you are targeting. So if you are targeting Texas, London, enter it. You click on add and search. So the software will start generating the leads. So you can see within few seconds, you are able to generate 20 leads, 38 leads, can you see? So that's how a lot of real estates they are able to generate quality leads for their business. So they can start promoting their product, their service to them. So you don't have to be spending money on advert to get real estate leads. I'm really going to about it. So can you see within less than 35 seconds, we have been able to gather 77 leads. So I don't want this video to be long, so they can generate close to hundreds, thousands of leads for you just one keyword. So can you see you have already gotten their phone, their website, so you can start promoting your offer to them through SMS marketing, email marketing, or cold calling. So that's how it works. So and also it has the bulk option. So with this option, you can just enter real estate. So you enter your location. So you are targeting different location, you can just enter it. So if you are using Extractor software like this, so if you want to get a lot of lead, so the best way is to target this keyword in by city or state. So it's going to help you a lot. So if I just click on add, keyword added, I will close it. Go to my search. So I'm just going to choose the real estate I'm targeting. I click on start. So can you see within a few seconds I've started getting leads for myself. So that's how it's going to be generating the leads. Excellent. In less than 40 seconds, now you're going to have close to 100 leads. Can you see? Do you know how much you're going to spend if you want to run advert to generate 100 leads in tier one country like UK, US? You see, you're going to be spending like hundreds of dollars to generate this lead. But with this software, it's just one-time payment of $60. You're going to get this software, then start using to generate quality leads for yourself. Very amazing. Using dollar is going to be generating it. You see, less than 1 minute, we already have close to 300 leads, more than 300 leads. So when you reach 400, I'm just going to stop it for I don't want this video to be long. So I've just posted. So that's it. Less than 2 minutes, we've already gathered 400 leads. So just can imagine you're running Facebook advert, Google advert, or TikTok advert. You want to use it to generate 400 leads in tier one country like USA, UK. You're going to spend more than hundreds, even close to thousands of dollars before you can generate this lead. But with this software, you can start using to generate leads with just one-time payment, and you can also focus on another niche. If you have another business apart from real estate, you can also use this software to generate leads in any niche you target. So how can you save these leads to your phone system? Come to contact, just select the real estate, you click on search, then select all, you click on export. So the leads are saved on your phone now, can you see? So you can see your business name, business address, the business phone, business websites, business email, your social media handle, if they have social media handle. So you've already gotten your leads. So with these leads, then you can start promoting your product. You can maybe want to do offline product, offline marketing. You have the address that you can send your offer to them to the address. If you want to do SMS marketing or cold calling, you have their phone number, you can call. If it is email, you have their email, you can call as well. So for you to get the software, you can just click the link under this video to get the software, or you can message us on our WhatsApp or Telegram by checking the video description. You can just go to our website. So just go to atjmarketingtools.com. Come on, go under the lead extractor. Yeah. Then choose this. So you can just make your payment via card or crypto. After you make your payment, you're going to get your software and your license as well. So you can just message us if you have an issue. You can message us here, or you can just message us on WhatsApp or Telegram. And also, if you want to buy leads, so you can just come to our ATJ list. If you want to buy quality leads as well, we sell, you can just buy the leads on our website. So thank you for watching this video. Click on the subscribe button, like and subscribe. Thank you. See you again.